Welcome to my channel. This video is to show how to download Eclipse IDE on Mac. So let's just get started. We'll first have to launch a browser. I'm going to do that in Safari. You can do that in other browser as well. Let's go to Google and then type Eclipse download. We'll have to go to the first link. So here if you see, we have install your favorite desktop IDE package, so we'll have to click on download packages. Moving ahead, if you see, we can download different IDEs based on our requirement. So we have IDEs for enterprise Java, we have IDEs for Java developers or C++ developers. So the best thing is to download the installer so that we can download the IDE according to our need. So coming to this, since we are using Mac, we have these two options. So if your Mac is on the Intel based OS, then you can go ahead with this one, and if it is with M1 or M2 chip, then we can go ahead with ARC64. Similarly, for Windows, you can go with these links. So installation part differs once you download the software, right? Post that there might be some different steps to download, however the initial steps remain same. So in case of Windows also, you'll have to come to the same website and click on these links. So I'll proceed ahead. We'll click on download. So the application is being downloaded. So guys, this channel is basically created just to walk everyone through the Java and Java concepts, and the main aim of this is to keep the topics crisp and clear. We don't want to give lots of explanation which is not even required, and at the same time keep the video short. So the installer is almost over. Yeah, so it's downloaded. We'll click on this. So just because it is Mac, the .dmg file is downloaded. So this is where it is. We have Eclipse installer. We'll click on it and of course open it. So ideally you can do two things. First you can install Java JDK and then do this. Otherwise you can directly also install Eclipse. So in our case we are going to do directly. So if you see here, again we have these options, Eclipse for C, C++, Java Enterprise or Java developers. For now, since we are focusing on Java, so we'll go ahead with this. And here if you see, it has already selected GRE 21.0.8 and it has given the link. So that means that it's going to download automatically. We are going to accept the conditions and it is getting downloaded. So in case of Windows also, once you download the main installer file, you'll just have to click on it and then proceed with the steps what's shown on the pop-ups. So once we start with the Java series, right, we are regularly going to post the Java lessons, and also it is going to be there for someone even who's starting from scratch, so they can also follow the channel. And if at all you have any questions, doubts, you are always welcome to comment, and we'll always reply. So it is installed. We are going to launch it. So currently we are giving this as the workspace. However, you can always change it and move to your specific workspace if it is required. For now we'll keep this as the default and proceed ahead. Yes, so once the Eclipse is launched, we are going to land on this welcome page, and of course it will just navigate us here. So we'll move back to Eclipse. So we are going to land on this welcome page. For now we'll just close it, and if you see, currently there is nothing being displayed because we have not worked yet and we have not neither imported any existing project. So since we are focusing on Java, we'll just click on create a Java project. So this is going to be our first project, so let's just do that. Project name, let it be so this is going to be the project name. This is by default selected, so we need not change it. We'll finish it. So now the project is created and we have these GRE files automatically imported, and we have this folder. So we'll have to create a class and a package. Let's do that together. So first project, and let's take the main method as well, so that we need not type it because this is a must and should. And let's give package name as learn today. So as you can see, the class is created with the package whatever we have given under the file name code Manan tech first video. So this is how it's getting displayed here. So we'll just remove this commented by default displayed line, and yeah, so let's just write something. So you can write come to my channel so let us just execute it. It will ask us to save it. So see, this is our first project what we have created, and we are able to execute it correctly. So that basically shows that our installation was correct and we have not missed any step. Also, I would just like to show you one more thing. If we go to the launchpad, because in future we'll have to again open it, right? But we don't have an option to do that, right? If you see, we don't have Eclipse anywhere, so how do we open it again in future? So for that, we'll again have to go to installer. We just move to Eclipse installer to the applications, and once it is done, let's see. So it is not yet here. Okay, we have a message. We'll just replace it. Yeah. So once you do that, you will be able to see the Eclipse in the launchpad and also open it again. And also once any of the application is installed in Mac, you can just eject it post installation. So we'll just eject this one. Yeah, so that's it for this video. We'll come back with new videos and majorly the Java learning series. Thank you very much.